In this video, I'm going to be showing you 5 powerful strategies that I've uncovered to help content creators, entrepreneurs, and brands succeed in today's ever-changing social media landscape. Now, these are not the usual tips that you have heard before. These insights and action steps can really truly elevate your content creation game. So if you're serious about growing and monetizing your influence, make sure you stick around and watch to the very end. So first of all, let's think about playing the long game here. Many creators get caught up chasing vanity metrics or quick wins. This is why many creators quit YouTube after a few weeks, because they expect them to post 1 or 2 videos and then they're going to get hundreds or thousands of views straight away. It doesn't work like that here. Because of these high expectations for comparing yourself to other social media platforms, having these high expectations and demands on yourself and how well our content is going to do, this can really lead to burnout, frustrations, insecurities, and a lack of consistent quality in your content. And what I mean by that is the content starts lacking substance, value. It doesn't really serve any purpose for anybody watching or consuming it. Now, without a long-term focus, it is very easy to fall into the trap of a cycle with constantly trying to keep up with trends all the time without seeing any sustainable growth. I've grown 2 successful TikTok accounts now, both in totally different niches, both with a large, reasonable following. And if it wasn't changing my mindset, thinking of a long-term growth strategy, I wouldn't be able to do this. Very much with my YouTube channel and other social media channels. Building sustainable content really requires investing hours, even months, to a single project. So I want you to think about the content idea you've been putting off, and you've been putting it off because it just seems too complicated or time consuming. But I want you to now also think, but if you do it, if you make it, if you post it eventually, will it help you with your channel? Will it help you with your business? Will it help you get people paying attention to you? Will it give you sustainable growth in the future? Sustainable as in, once it's been made, is it a video where people can keep looking for it, finding it, and it will help them or give them valuable entertainment in some way? Another example with this, if you did an in-depth tutorial or series or high quality documentary or blasts from the past related with movies, comedy skits, gaming, by making and posting this content, could this help you establish yourself as authority in your industry, in your niche, and as a side product create long-term engagement? If so, surely those are good enough reasons why to invest time making and then posting the content. So if you've been procrastinating, I hope you're now going to start taking action with this. Write down that big content idea you've been putting off and make a commitment. You're going to start working on it. Even if it's just a small step or small element you're editing, scripting, creating each day. Little by little, little equals to a lot. You know, I was doing that, it's like I got nunchucks. Remember, it's consistent efforts, small controlled bursts, that leads to the biggest payoffs. That's why the people who spend the most time investing in themselves and investing time, they achieve so much more than people who always quit and put things off when the going gets tough. Think of delayed gratification. Really start making an effort to use AI. I use AI a lot. I've done a few videos about it, how I use it for content creation, inspiration, help me brainstorm ideas, help me be more productive with my work. So I save more time, get in a really good creative flow state. And you can now use AI to level up brand partnerships. Because I'm going to be honest, the competitive landscape now, it really does make it hard to stand out to brands. I mean, have you seen some of the crazy brands now on TikTok like Scrub Daddy, Ryanair? You got to dare to be different. And by using outdated strategies, it's really going to limit your growth. Without innovation, you risk missing out on valuable partnerships. So by using AI, it can help you transform content creation and brand partnerships. It's become so advanced now. It could allow you to digitally integrate brand assets into your content, putting them in your content without even having to reshoot the content. So for example, in this space here, if I work with a brand, they could use AI to put their lamp into this scene. So imagine just creating valuable content like the content I'm doing now, and then being able to reuse that again with a brand or many brands using AI, or even just a brand logo in the background. This technology is going to get better and better and more advanced. So buckle up and get ready to use it more. So here's a future-proof idea with you on this one. Start brainstorming ideas how to leverage and use AI in your content or to get brand deals. Be proactive by preparing. Be proactive proposing innovative ideas. That shows brands that you are ahead of a curve. You're different, making you stand out. Because this makes you more appealing for a long-term partner. This also gives you an opportunity for collaborations with other creators and influencers. Next tip is dive into YouTube Shorts. If you're ignoring YouTube Shorts, one of the biggest growth opportunities available. I have gained a huge amount of followers by posting YouTube Shorts every day. Without a presence on Shorts, it's harder to attract new audiences who are primarily consuming short form content. YouTube Shorts has unrivaled reach, allowing you to use YouTube Shorts as teasers of your long form content, linking them together using the related post feature. But it allows you to gain new followers in record time. Plus, we have the SEO factor of if you nail it right with the SEO and caption in your thumbnail, it allows your content to get discovered later on. So imagine you post a 15-second YouTube short video. Somebody finds it 6 months from now, gets a couple of comments, and then that video just starts blowing up, and then it creates like a compound domino effect with all your other videos and your channel overall. It just takes one video. It just makes sense to use it. And the best strategy for YouTube to be would have viewers who like long form content and short form content, and a bit of both. You want users on your channel that like long form content and short form content. There'll be a small percentage of users who like both, but you really do want the best of both worlds if you want to grow your brand and get noticed. And you can repurpose your content from other social media platforms. Just make sure you take off the watermark. YouTube now also has longer shorts. So this allows you to not stress as much with your editing and start implement a bit more storytelling. This will also make it easier for you to gain users who prefer long form content. So start posting YouTube Shorts. Get your most popular videos from your other social media platforms, put them on there. Get rid of the watermark though. But by being consistent, it's going to help you take advantage of using the format and unlocking your true growth potential. And the more you post your shorts regularly, the algorithm learns more who your ideal audience is and what your content's about. I post a similar content format every Friday on my channel, and it always does well. It always gets insane views because YouTube algorithm knows my audience now because I've been posting on a regular basis shorts. Next tip is build long-term relationships and collaborations with people. So think of long-term partnerships here. Brands often hesitate to commit to long-term collaborations due to the perceived risks of this. And this can make partnerships feel transactional and really short-lived. The hesitation limits the depth and probability of your work with them. But you can encourage long-term partnerships by initiating trust through test runs. For example, you can suggest a few smaller projects with regular check-ins to show brands the value you bring while making them feel comfortable with a longer commitment. This approach not only demonstrates your flexibility, but also shows you're serious with mutual success. And you can do this also with collaborations by just doing a few collaborations with people in the same niche industry if you don't want anything back in return, and helps you build up this community network. Get further deals later on down the line, especially if you do a collaboration with a big creator, same niche your industry, good relationship, brand sees you, think, I want that person to work with me. By doing this, it also gives your brand more exposure. And TikTok have launched a new update using collaboration feature, so you'll be able to do it on most social media platforms now. When you're pitching to these brands and collaborations, offer a short-term trial or a teaser preview to demonstrate your value or your adaptability. If it's a brand we're talking about, be open to feedback, chatting, taking notes, and positioning yourself as a dedicated partner who's invested in the brand success or the person you want to do a collaboration with success. There's got to be a win-win situation feel to this. Now, if you really want to monetize from social media, and I'm not talking about making money from your content and views and engagement, I'm talking about monetizing from digital products, memberships, earning money while you're sleeping, basically, is you really need to master marketing fundamentals. And I've done a massive video on the subject already, and I have many helpful templates and resources that could help you in the caption below. But without understanding any marketing principles whatsoever, it's harder to connect with people, it's harder to connect with any brands in any way that drives real impact. Many creators or people in business miss out. They miss out on getting paid. They miss out their products getting bought. They miss out on luxurious, lucrative deals with brands, partnerships, by not knowing really, or not knowing at all, brands prioritize or how to market themselves effectively. They're just posting any content out there, seeing what sticks, and they hope to get lucky. They hope somebody's going to contact them. So investing and learning marketing, even the marketing basics, gives you a serious edge over everybody else as a creator or business. Learn about branding. Watch a load of my videos after. Learn about audience psychology and digital marketing tactics to help you position yourself as a valuable partner for brands or people wanting to invest in you. Have some authority, make people desperate for your products or services. This knowledge allows you to craft content that not only makes impact, but connects with people. Gives you that much needed engagement you need to get more money from, say, creative funds, etc. But also brand partners, increasing the likelihood of profitable collaborations and you getting more income. So dive into free resources like podcasts, blogs, introductory courses, or even just hang on my YouTube channel and watch all the videos I've done about content creation and marketing, branding for free to understand marketing fundamentals. Seriously, I've done a video with like the best business lessons there is in marketing. But this knowledge will set you apart in brand conversations, getting paid from others, making you a standout choice for meaningful high impact partnerships, generally just getting paid. Look, real talk here. These strategies won't work unless you do the work and put them into practice. So don't just watch. Knowledge is nothing without implementation. Start taking action on each step to see real growth and long-term success in your content and brand journey. If you're ready to go deeper and take the guesswork out of content strategy, marketing, check out the helpful resources from me to help you in the description below. There's literally something in there that's going to help you no matter where you are in your journey right now. Don't wait until your growth stalls, seriously. Take action right now. Please do drop me any questions in the comments. Like this video if you found it valuable, and make sure to subscribe if you've not done so already. And hopefully I will see you on the next one.